creator behind YouTube Fireplace video, estimated to be a millionaire from a single upload. A relatively simple YouTube video of a crackling fireplace may have turned its creator into a millionaire, according to recent estimates shared by analytics observers. The nearly decade-old clip, which shows an unchanging scene of a burning log fire accompanied by ambient sound, has become one of the platform's most unexpectedly lucrative uploads. A single video with long-term earnings. Unlike typical viral content that spikes and fades, the fireplace video has maintained consistent viewership over many years. Based on publicly available view counts and standard ad revenue models, analysts estimate lifetime earnings from the upload could exceed the seven-figure mark. This includes revenue from both standard ads and YouTube's monetization features, which reward watch time and repeat engagement. How background content generates revenue. YouTube's ad model pays creators based on a mix of factors including watch time, geographic impressions, and ad engagement. Videos that retain viewers for extended sessions or repeatedly appear in recommended feeds can accumulate substantial earnings even without dramatic spikes in daily views. In the case of ambient content, viewers frequently leave such videos running for long durations, which can translate into higher ad inventory served per session. While the creator's identity and exact revenue figures have not been confirmed publicly, independent revenue projections suggest that the fireplace video alone has generated significant income. This goes to show that simple, nature utility-oriented uploads sometimes outperform more complex productions in aggregate earnings. Other ambient formats like rain soundtracks, study animations, or lo-fi streams also drive consistent platform engagement.